Hi friends, you are studying MS-DOS Basics, and in this video we will talk about the course introduction. So this is my introduction. My name is Bilal Khan, and I have completed my BS Computer Science. My vision is to convey programming skills and all of my technical skills in the simplest way. I'm teaching programming for the last 4 years and able to achieve expertise in DBMS, SQL, computer networks, computer architecture, human-computer interaction, web development, and web designing. I have also created lots of software and web technologies. Moreover, I am a Microsoft certified Microsoft Office specialist registered at Certified. So here's the course outline. We will look all the basics of MS-DOS, which includes view the contents of a directory, changing from one directory to another, create and delete directories, change from one drive to another, copy and move files, delete files, customize colors, and much more in MS-DOS. After taking this course, you will be able to work with the MS-DOS basic commands. So it's a good course for the beginners for computer sciences. So that's it. That's the course introduction. In the next video, we will understand and use MS-DOS commands. So thank you.